vision is clear now. It is clearer than ever, and now is the time. In this new beginning, this world that sees you, it's misfits, it's has-beens, fresh meat. But I see you. It's more, I see your untapped potential that nobody else wants to see. I see the things that you see in yourself, but you won't let out. You two will share my vision.
Ever since the day we both stepped in this company, it was destined for our paths to cross. Both of us came in a JOW and took the road to glory. Both of us have shown this company what we can do. Both of us are champions, but there can be only one. There is only one. I am everything JOW needed. I have beaten everyone that has stepped in my way.
Better back down, you're in my domain. Got the whole crowd screaming out our name. It's a blowout, it's a hurricane, it's over before you know it. Why you shaking? We're a dynasty in the making. We're the royalty, now we're breaking down the enemy. Move over the soldiers.
I am the only real champion in this company. You scare everyone, but not me. I am a saint sent from the rustling heavens in human form. And the last thing I will do in JOW is send your ass to whatever dark corner you write your little poems in and prove to you that only one belt matters, and that's this one, the JOW World Heavyweight Championship.
Take a swing, I can take a hit. If we die, it's fine, we live for this. It's all for this. We're gonna stand on top with our hands in the sky. Gonna raise our cup to the stadium lights for the glory.
You and I are nothing alike. You are a prophecy, a story handwritten. The cup was engraved in your name. The world was told it belongs to you. But no one told you how this story ends.
Swing, I can take a hit. If we die, it's fine, we live for this. It's all for this. We're gonna stand on top with our hands in the sky. Gonna raise our cup to the stadium lights for the glory. For the glory. We celebrate with the city tonight. Hear the hometown cheer, it's the ultimate high for the glory.
10 months I've waited. 10 examples we have made. 10 echoes you have invoked. In my only moment of failure, I swore to never allow for history to be repeated. That's why I wrote my own legacy. I watched the world shift whilst we remained in place. With every page inscribed, our power grew until the world could no longer contain us. Our stories were destined to interlock, but only for a moment. On the final page, the story ends with Exodus, watching the world end.
Yeah, we've waited for our time to come, calculated. Everything we've done, we've upgraded. Now you can't